guys, welcome back to Belqui's Twist. Today I am making my white corn guacamole. The story behind this is that my husband and I went to a restaurant years ago and they had a similar version to this guacamole on the menu, and I loved it because I love corn. So I came home and made my own twist. I added black beans, red onions, tomatoes, garlic, cilantro, and mixed it all together, and voila, I have this wonderful guacamole with so much flavor, I cannot stop eating it. So I want you to learn how to make it. So let's go. Hey guys, so now I get to eat this. I've been waiting for you to watch the video. So now I take my first bite. And there it is, the corn. Oh my God, I'm obsessed with corn. It's so good. You have got to try it. And I'm not gonna keep talking to you because I'm just gonna keep eating now. I'll see you next time. Bye.